Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word duds in depth. First, the definition. Duds means informal clothes or garments, often old or worn out. Think of it simply as your favorite but perhaps slightly ragged outfit. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Duds traces back to the Middle English word dude, meaning ragged cloth, first recorded in the 14th century. Over time, it's been used by English speakers to describe clothing that might be old or informal. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So, how do you use duds in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. He wore his old duds to the casual party last night. Correct example 2. She donated her extra duds to the charity shop last weekend. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to duds my homework, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using duds correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Duds means informal, clothes or garments, often old or worn out. It comes from the Middle English word dude, meaning ragged cloth, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with duds down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.